Only 10% of the guys in the world gets true love. Welcome to my channel, friends. So I have decided to share my 9 years of hard work and experience with you, and most of the topic are concerned with youth generation. And first you have to go and watch Learn Astrology part 1 to 4 on my channel list. Then you will be able to understand the basics and move forward to these videos. Thank you. Good afternoon. Today I will talk about love marriage. Love marriage means true love marriage. Not because you are 30, 35, now you must get married. No, not that one. Talking about true love marriage. Those guys who are loving each other for years or through school or college, and later they get married. So I will talk about those conditions in the Vedic Kundli which make a person to be in that 10%. Only 10% of the guys in the world gets true love or get married with their true love, or you can call it their crush. So first one was 5th house lord plus 7th house lord conjunction in any house. 5th house is love house, 7th house is marriage house. So if both this house lord has a conjunction, then surely that guy will get a good love, and maybe she will be married to a nice guy which she loved. And second one is 5th house lord in 7th house, which love house lord in 7th house. This is the example Kundli of a boy who got married with his childhood love. So here you can see Saturn, the love house lord, is in marriage house, and third condition is 7th house lord in 5th house. So here 7th house lord is Jupiter and it is in 5th house. Okay, that's why this 28-year-old boy married to a girl which loved him since childhood. He also loved her. And fourth one is Venus, which is the lord of love and sex, is in 5th, 7th, 12th house. You can see Venus is in 5th, 7th house of this boy. And fifth one is Venus in Lagna. Venus, the lord of love, marriage, love, sex. If it is situated in first house, then obviously then guy will be romantic. And also if it is situated in first house, it has a 7th site on marriage house. Here also you can see it is situated in 7th house and has a 7th site on first house. So obviously this boy is also romantic. So it's the fifth condition you got, the lord of love, sex in 7th house or in first house and 7th site on love house. Venus has a 7th site, and Venus is at 18 degree or in pieces. At 18 degree every planet is fully powered. 30 degree is one house, 18 degree means in almost at the center of the house. So at full power the lord of love will give you love, or in pieces. Okay, so that's why this guy is very lucky. Not only Venus is marriage house but also in pieces. In pieces Venus become very powerful, very benefic. Every planet gets benefic at a particular house or becomes very powerful at one particular house, like moon at here. Moon becomes very powerful here. One more example, sun becomes very powerful at here, but this is 8th house, it will give bad result here. But sun becomes very powerful or act like a benefic at first house arise. And 7th one is 5th house Mahadasa, major dasa during marriage age. If you are financially independent, you are earning well, and now you are looking for a marriage, and if you got a major dasa of the love house lord or the planet which is situated at love house, but it must be a benefic planet, then also you will give a good love marriage with the girl or boy which you really love for a long time, and you like her or from your heart. You like her from the bottom of your heart. And 8th one is Venus Antardasa in 7th house Mahadasa. For example, if someone has a 7th house major dasa, means his marriage house is activated. So obviously there is chances of marriage. And if in that major dasa there is a antar dasa or minor dasa of the love house planet, love house lord, or a planet which is situated in love house, then surely that guy will get a good love marriage, good girl or a good boy which he really love. Thank you. My English is not good, but I give my best so that you can understand all these logics and concepts. Please pause the video and revise to rememorize it. Thank you. Have a nice day.